I'm Kenny Hauk with Hauk Designs. We're here at Zone Offroad. We're going to be working on our brand new Bronco over here. We're going to be putting a 2-inch lift and some 37-inch tires. You're going to want to see how this thing turns out. So the goal with this Bronco is to clear 37-inch tires. In order to do that, we only really need about 2 inches of lift. We're going to achieve that with this Zone Offroad 2-inch spacer lift. Now eventually, as Fox continues with their R&D, they're going to be coming out with a brand new set of coilovers for this project. We're going to be putting those on and putting those to the test real soon. So in addition to putting in the 2-inch spacers for added lift on our Bronco, we went ahead and replaced the upper A-arm as well with this BDS unit. The nice thing about that, it adds a lot of strength, and with its uniball design, it adds for a lot of flexibility, and it allows us to align the vehicle properly and get it back into factory spec. So the results are in. We just finished installing our Zone 2-inch lift. It rides fantastic. It made perfect clearance for the 37-inch BF Goodrich tires and Raceline wheels. If you want to see more on this build, tune into Digital Lug and watch the latest episodes of Hauk Machines.